alone. If you're not alone, why am I alone? You know that you want me to, am I wrong?
Hey dolls, and welcome back to my channel. So today's video I'm going to be showing you guys how I achieve these really simple effortless curls on this unit. And I went out of town. As you guys can see, we're in a different little environment, but something told me to bring this unit and it went perfect with my outfit for the night. So if you guys are interested in seeing how I achieve this look, make sure you keep on watching. So y'all know the vibes, straight into it. Nadula Hair, thank you so much for sponsoring this video. I was super excited to try their wig. These are just the basics that come inside the box. And this was one thing I was excited about in the box is this little cute roll, little nice silk roll that I definitely wore while I was installing my wig. So now let's get into the details of this unit. I will be wearing Nadula's Breathable V Body Wave Wig, 150% density, and this is in 24 inches. So if you guys are interested in any of the details, make sure you check the description box below. And of course, I have to show you guys the basic construction of this unit. We have our clips at the top, so it's nice and secure, our combs on the side, and also a comb for security at the bottom. Oh, hey guys, how are you guys doing? So reservations were for 9. It was like 8 o'clock. I had to take pictures before reservations. Thank God that the place was closed because we were cutting close on time. So this was pretty much me doing my hair in real time because we had to hurry up. So thank God for this V-part unit. I already had my hair braided down and also my leave out prepped because I did have a wig on prior to this. Like I said, I was switching up my unit for my outfit. So as you guys can see, I'm cutting some layers in it, but you really can just wear this unit with these body wave curls already. Me personally, I'm not gonna do that, but if you are a very low maintenance type girl, you can definitely wear this unit as is. So I just went ahead and added some cheese silk infusion to kind of smooth out those flyaways because y'all know how these hair companies be some of these days. You gotta tweak it to make sure that we have everything looking nice and smooth and together. So once I did that, I'm showing you guys, I curled one side of my head. The other side we about to do on camera because like I said, we were rushing and I wanted to make sure that one side came out good before I then recorded all of that. So I did that in about 10-15 minutes on that side. I don't have any baby hairs or anything, so I didn't have to worry about that. But I'm just gonna go ahead and curl this other side. And if you guys are interested in seeing a more in-depth video on how I do these flat iron curls, make sure you click that little link right there that I'm gonna have just for you. So another thing I want to add is that I did mention that this hair is 150% density and it's more so on the light, airy, and fluffy side. I know you guys are familiar with those terms if you watch my previous videos. That kind of means the hair is not as heavy and dense. Therefore, it's kind of hard for it to hold a curl throughout the entire night. And especially since I didn't set these curls and let them cool off and then let them down and comb them out, I was pretty surprised with how these curls held up in this heat and throughout the night. But honestly, I do prefer to have at the least a 200% density wig, especially when I'm curling my hair. It adds more volume and it just makes it look a little more thicker and more voluminous. So your curls are gonna look way better. They're probably gonna set a little bit longer because you have more hair. But even if it's not 200% density, if you have a 250% density or a 300% density, girl, like your curls are going to hold for a little second, especially if you set them and let them cool down. But like I said, I was pressed for time and I didn't have time for that. But these pretty much held throughout the night with that dinner that was outside. So make sure you keep that in mind when ordering your wigs in the future. It makes a difference.
Just to back it up, you can hold my eyes.
up. Now I'm back on deck. So shout it what the you want. Dirty talking shit. But this ain't what the you want. Like I CEO up. Now it's back to Coco. Niggas out there wrong. Hanging by the rope. Hit 'em with the chopper. Call it halama. Call me Rockefeller. AKA.
So this completes my final look for this video. I was ready to take my pictures in just enough time, and I'm so happy with how this hair came out. It was so natural and very lightweight, and I didn't have to worry about it frizzing up throughout the night. So I'm really pleased with this unit. If you guys are interested in any of the details or tools that I use in this video, make sure you check the description box below. And check out this unit. I'll have some coupon codes down below as well. But thank you guys so much for watching. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe, and I will see you guys in my next video. Bye guys. Mwah.
My baby, my Valentine.